Look at him. He's super.
I'm helping!
Hello and welcome. Today we have a car meet at a city called Linköping, and well, here's my KO driver, and well, my rims isn't even clean.
For shame. You have to redo it. Come on, chop. Redo it. Come on.
Let's go to the car meet. It's Scumball that's hosting, not Gumball. It's Scumball is hosting this one. So let's go to the car meet. Great start. Great start, man.
Sucks to be you. Turn left.
Ah, yeah. Let's use the blinkers for a turn signal. Depending on where you come from. Let me in. Damn, that cop chick looked at the car very angry. So we are here at the car meet. So let's see what cars we can find. Something more fun on the other side of the building here. By the way, what do you think about the cars on the other side of the well, the building? Shit, son. I think we have like 4 sound cars here playing at the same time.
What?
I don't know.
Cinnamon bun?
Pancake?
It's 7 o'clock.
Ah, perfect. Oh no. We are outcasts, or no one wants to be friends with us for some reason.
My OCD is just screaming. Fill the fucking spot, please. Thank you.
You happy?
Much better.
unfortunately the meet ended a little bit early, and since it's on a weekday, a work week, so I don't think it will be any race from what I know, but we will stay around here a little bit and try to figure out if we can see any race. But who knows, who knows? I don't know. I don't think it will be any race, but well, the car meet ended a little bit early because of the rain, I think. So well, that's Sabir.
Started the alarm.
That's not stock. So as I said, the car meet ended a little bit early, but me and my friend here had fun. So thank you, Scumball, for a pleasant meet, and hopefully we can come to your next ones. See you guys.